What's up, Myhouse TV? Hey man, we are leaving our apartment, about to get ready to go to the beach, because guess what? The girls want to go to the beach for their birthday, build some sand castles. So they already left, so I'm about to go catch up with them. We're not too far away from the beach, so we're pretty much, the beach is like the next street over type deal. So about to get ready to go over there, man. Show y'all what Miami Beach look like for those who haven't been there. So let go.
So you know who it is. I say it's my house TV. It's my house. It's my house. I say it's my house TV. It's my house. It's my house. I say it's my house TV. It's my house. I say it's my house TV. It's my house. I say it's my house TV. It's my house. It's my house. It's my house. It's my house. I say it's my house TV. It's my house. It's my house. It's my house. It's my house. I say it's my house TV.
Alright, I just went down this little alley, and guess where I ran into? The fam. They up there, man. The fam bam. So yeah, let's get over here to this beach. Look at this. Is that a hotel right now? That's a little hotel right now. Alright, we are here at that beach. Got our beach chairs and towels. Alright, we at the Moines Beach Park Walk.
Once a week, I mean. They're only going to make them to go to work once a week.
Right here what the beach look like, y'all. If I ain't making nobody jealous. Okay, it ain't packed. So that's somebody over there doing some sand castles over there. Oh, the sand hard, y'all. Like it's like not soft right here. It's like you can drive on this without getting stuck. Mom, you're excited to be on the beach for your birthday?
Yes, I am.
Celebrating.
So exciting.
Ooh, yeah, little what is it? Suntan lotion on?
Yeah.
The sunscreen different, right?
Yeah.
That's the block sun.
So I am going to go in the water and I'm going to shake it to get all the seashells out.
To do what?
To get all the seashells out there.
Oh.
Yeah, you'll see them.
Yeah, over here? You're gonna find seashells way back here?
No, I have to go in the water.
But there ain't gonna be no seashells in there. No, you at this part. You gotta get closer to the water to get some seashells. You get what I'm saying? You got one shell. You can see that. What you doing? What you doing?
Trying to break stuff and
Yeah.
make a...
You gotta get some water in here, and you gotta wet the sand, cause you can't make no sand castle with this soft stuff. That's all the water you got? Why don't you fill it up? What's the pay out here doing, y'all? Did you accomplish something? What happened?
Because I need to get it in the dry sand.
Huh? Why you can't just pick up some sand? I mean, pick up some shells, like you usually do. I mean, I think it'll be easier. What is that? What you doing with that little shell? You're not bringing that home. She should find you some big shells, bro. Oh, Tay about to get ready to go get in that thing. You finna get in the water too? You finna get in the water? Tay about to get in. Is it too cold? Go ahead, get some more. Wind kind of thumping out here, y'all, so if y'all can't hear me, I'm sorry. What happened? Don't be scared of the water. Get you some. Go get you some, girl. Get you some. There you go, there you go. There you go. Nice. Yeah. finna splash in that thing? The water kind of chilly. I mean, it's not too cold, but it's not.
It's actually not
warm.
Daddy!
What?
I made a pool.
You made a who? Pool.
I'm gonna go to the water. Can I put it in here? Because I'm gonna big.
It's gonna go in there by itself.
Yeah, but we can pour a lot.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I'm in the water. I just got splashed a little bit. Actually, the water's pretty decent, y'all. It's not too cold. Actually kind of perfect. And it's not too hot out today, so it's a perfect day.
There's not a lot seaweed as nice.
Again, y'all, sandcastle on. Y'all finna try until the water. Hopefully the water don't come to destroy it. It ain't gonna come this far? Alright. So y'all good. Mom got her snorkeling mask. And she about to get ready to go in. It's chilly, too chilly for you? Aw, man.
And I'm protected.
These guys right here got electric scooters out here and stuff. What the heck they doing? They crazy. Uh-oh. Tamon got the goggles on. Okay. Y'all going under to see some seaweed? I mean, I think that's all that's under there right now. Oh, shoot. They about to go in there. Uh-oh. Okay, you about to go under anyway. About to go under, y'all. I'm gonna take y'all under, but I gotta kind of hold my port. I don't want no salt to get in. Salt gonna get in my my microphone. I ain't going under, y'all. They going under, y'all. They both scared. I think they scared, y'all. They scared to go under. What happened? Mom on that thing. What happened? Oh, it needs tighter. Hey, Myhouse TV. She lost her water shoe in the ocean. So now one of the sharks get to wear your water shoe. They get to put it on their flippers. What?
I thought I fixed my water shoe up here, and then I went in there and messed up. I was trying to fix it, but I completely wasted it.
Yeah, I remember you fixing it and you went in. I was about to tell you to take them off. And then you went in and you came out. You lost the shoe. I was about to tell you to just take them off. Because you didn't really need them. Because it's for like the hot sand. You know. I bet this sand, this wind thumping out here. This wind thumping in this camera. She found her some seashells. Is it a girl? So you call it a she shell, right? Don't forget the black one. That's Tay's favorite one. Alright, people, Dan wasn't feeling that well, man. We had to call the ambulance while she was throwing up and about to pass out. So, gotta make sure she alright. Right there. You okay? You got to go in the ambulance. You okay now? Did the ambulance make you feel better? Yeah? Man, that was a little scary. You scared me. You know what it looked like? Man, she scared me, y'all. While she was about to pass out. Hey. Ambulance leaving back there. Yeah, it scared us, y'all. But she's good. So we just got to grab her some Pedialyte or something and get her something light to eat. And then that's it. So maybe like some Lunchable, maybe? No? The Lunchable? Crackers? There she go. Birthday girl. Almost her birthday. She had to go in the ambulance. My goodness, girl. Alright, so we thinking that she probably just got dehydrated. They got a little hot out. They said they just went to to a scene to the beach that is like a 45-year-old, same exact symptoms. So I think it was probably just too warm for her. But she's back and going now, y'all. Alright, Mom went to go save the day. She went and got some Starbucks, some bagels, and a little sausage sandwich. Got us some drinks, huh?
It's my birthday.
If tomorrow is your birthday, bro, and you almost jacked it up, bro. You was almost sick, bro.
I'm always sick.
Mom, I always say today with the food, how's your bagel? It's good? No, she don't? Oh. Got a little pigeon right there. He don't want to come and step up on the hand. So, you gotta figure whatever. Look at them clouds out there. Clouds are crazy. Like it's about to rain. So my sister and them is out here, but we waiting on them to come. PJ here, y'all. I don't know if y'all remember PJ. PJ here, so we're waiting on them to come out here. But it's about to rain, so they better get up out here. My sister. There go my sister. Yes, y'all, it's my sister. Look at Naya. Hey, girl, you a lifeguard? Oh, you're a lifeguard. You can go help. You gotta go sit in the thing over there. You gotta go sit in the thing. You got your lifeguard. You got your lifeguard fit on. You gotta go sit in the thing. Look who it is. It's P Money, y'all. There go P Money, y'all. Look. And there go Princess. Over that bond swimmer, y'all. That's what took them so long. Look at Princess. Princess! Oh, shoot. Nah, you gotta go over there. You lifeguard. Nah, you on duty. Go get paid, girl. KJ need that on. He the one that saved somebody last time. He saved that kid. Hey, y'all. Dang, look at that big old hole she digging. Dang, shawty. That's big.
Can you come get some water with me?
Get some water? You finna put some water now?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. Alright, we got us some water. You putting the seaweed in there?
Yes.
You want to pour this in there?
Yeah, put the seaweed in there. Ben, you're making sand go in there. Careful. Ah! So
There we go.
like the water will make it like get up more, so I can make it a bigger and bigger.
Oh,
okay,
okay.
come on, let's go.
Man, out here thumping, y'all. Princess out there with her phone. She finna. Princess about to break her iPhone. Oh. Oh, you got iPhone in the water? Oh, you finna break that. You finna break that iPhone in that water, girl. Oh, it got a splash on it? Oh, it's broke. That's iPhone. It's not Android. It's not Android. Man, look at her. Woo-hoo. There's Tay Lane. Mom now back there chilling like a villain.
I just came to get seaweed.
Get some seaweed? Oh, okay. Well, we out here, people, man. I know I got sunscreen all in the hair, looking all crazy, but yeah, we out here, man. Miami Beach. Like I said, the weather, and the sun done went down now, but still nice out. Water ain't too cold. I thought it was gonna be, but it's good. So yeah, we're gonna finish up out here and probably get back to the room. My mom not coming in, so we can see my mom. So yes, we get to that. Ooh, look at her. Nice. You said what? That is kind of tight.
Yeah, I'm embarrassing myself.
Man, that is nice. Man, look at that. Wow. That is crazy. You're under there. You're buried alive. Oh my gosh. Ooh, Ben's turn. Dang, Ben. Ben, you on the ground. You was in the ambulance. All that, bruh. Dang, Ben.
Put your arm like that.
Alright, just left the beach. About to meet up with my mom now. My brother. He's about to shoot this little music video. Got a little children's little music video that we want to get done. We already shot it before, but we got to do some more of the scene. So, waiting on them to come across the street. Guess who it is, y'all? Hey! Hey! Yeah, people, we are out here. It's like a reunion out here now, y'all. Look at this. Woohoo! Yes. They came to see us in Miami, y'all. They drove like an hour and some change to get out here. We deep in Miami. From Palm Beach. They drove all the way from Palm Beach. Grandma, granddad. Yeah. Man, it's windy out here, y'all. Sorry that this wind is stomping. Look, I thought somebody had their drawers out here. Throwing sand on y'all? Oh, shoot. Ready to sun throwing? Get out here. Yeah. Oh, okay.
I don't know. I think it's coming.
Oh, no, I'm
No.
You're on YouTube.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, okay.
You ready? Hey, you ready?
Gotta hurt yourself. What you about to do? Tore your whole ACL playing around. Man, it's windy out here,